Welcome back to Phone Repair Hub. Today, we're replacing a faulty iPhone, charging flex and bringing this device back to life. Let's dive in. Let's start by opening the iPhone. First, I'll remove all the screws, then carefully lift out the motherboard. Take your time with this step and make sure not to damage any connectors or flex cables. The motherboard is now out, so let's remove the faulty charging flex and get ready to install the new one. The replacement charging flex is ready. Now it's time to install it carefully into the iPhone. The charging flex replacement is complete. Now it's time to reinstall the motherboard. This repair requires removing the entire motherboard to access and replace the charging flex safely. The repair is now complete. I'll reinstall the display, and after that, we'll perform a charging test to confirm that the new charging flex is working perfectly. Charging is working perfectly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Phone Repair Hub for more iPhone repair videos.